Hi guys, welcome back to 4-Wheel Drive is Life. Today we're going to show you how this Land Cruiser 200 series on 35-inch tires performs in this V-notch kind of terrain. I want to give a shout out to my good friend Chris for providing these great footages to me. So if you also appreciate it, please go ahead and give him a follow on Instagram. His Instagram page is Pearl200 with dots in between. I'm going to list it out in my description and also on the screen. Not gonna lie, but I have no experience driving in a V-notch terrain like this. Because when you're in the driver's seat, you're mainly looking forward and up, and you don't see any of the V-notch in front of you. So you really have to trust your spotter. Also, when one or more of your tires in the ditch, and you give a gas, sometimes the truck doesn't go forward. Instead, it goes upwards. It tilts up. So dimensional, like that three-dimensional disorientation sometimes plays a huge factor as well.
Yeah, I'm coming up and over, huh? Need to back up. Alright, cut it straight.
It's at this moment that the Land Cruiser's passenger side wheels and tires are both fallen into the ditch. And it's not a good situation to be in because you're losing a lot of that angle that your truck is tilted sideways, and it's just not stable. So I'm gonna stop narrating and let you guys watch this entire footage. It's about 6 or 7 minutes long to see how the Land Cruiser got out of it.
Alright, come driver, or come straight. Alright, driver and back up, or passenger back up, I'm sorry. Can I come up this way? I don't think you'll be able to come up that. Alright, good. Now straight back. Straighten up. Might be able to get up to that. Keep it tight. Yeah, it's sliding. Alright, straight, no, cut. Driver, back up a little bit. Alright, straighten it up. Straight. Alright,
hard passenger.
Hard passenger. Alright, now start cutting driver.
Now straight.
Yeah, right. Alright, nope, not too much, just straight. Come on a little bit. Come down. Driver a little bit? Yep, you're good. Perfect. You got this. Come on. You want to go up that, or I'm going to go up that? Yeah. Okay. got it. Come on. Back it up, something. Back it up, passenger. Back it up, passenger. Back up. A little bit more back. A little bit. All right. A little bit. All right, now straight. Come forward and straight. Come straight. You're dropping. All right, you got this. You're going to come up.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like the contents and like to see more of this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Four Wheel Drive is Life. Thank you again and have a good one.